Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can start a new video project in Microsoft Clipchamp in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to the Microsoft Clipchamp application on your desktop computer or laptop and let me return to the home screen. You can do that from the video editor by clicking into that home button in the top left. After that, let me just continue without the backup. So here in your home screen, guys, what you want to do is click into this button here, this plus button, create a new video. And then you will be redirected to the video editor with a blank project and a blank timeline so that you may navigate to My Media here in the top left. Click into Import Media and insert video clips or import them from your device in MP4 format to later add them to your timeline. So that's how you start a new video project on Microsoft Clipchamp. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.